Driving the Supra GT4, it's actually super exciting. It's a new step in terms of performance. The response on the steering wheel is really, really good. You can feel the grip in the lateral corners. You can feel that the torque of the turbo engine is making the exit of the corner super fast. You can jump on the curb, you can attack, and at the same time you have a very good control from the rear axle. The car is very consistent, very predictable, easy to drive. So pleased with the performance of the car we have right now.
The Toyota Supra is a very good base for a GT4 car. We have put a lot of effort in its performance and its handling in our goal to achieve a car that the driver can really connect to and take it to the maximum at the track.
When you are building a GT4 car, you have to be sure that the car is performing well. We are producing something very important because the level is high. We really feel that we are pushing the car to the limit. The Supra GT4 will hit the track in 2020 and I can't wait to see this car in action.